What's going on, YouTube? As you see, we back with another video, and as y'all can see, it's raining. But you know, we got the scat cat. I mean the slat cat. My bad, y'all. But you see, we put the Hellcat badges in the back. You know, we got the Hellcat badges on the side, and we got a Hellcat badge up here, a light up Hellcat badge. But I'm not gonna cut it on because it's raining for y'all. But we got a Hellcat badge right here, and we got a lot of lost files, y'all. I lost my phone, my camera phone, so I lost a lot of footage. But today I'm gonna be showing y'all what it's like to drive a Hellcat in the rain, cause it's raining, and I want to get y'all a video. Cause I've been slacking on my content because of my phone, but I'm not gonna give it no excuses. Even though it's raining, I'm gonna use that to my advantage. So we're gonna give y'all a POV drive in the rain and show y'all what it's like to drive a Hellcat in the rain. So it shouldn't be too bad because I just got tires a couple days ago, because I was doing a lot of videos with Mr. Goddammit and Fast Life Nick. I don't know if y'all seen them or not, but go follow me on Instagram to check out all the content I've been pushing out. And as y'all can see, I installed stars in my headliner too. That's another lost file that was in my other phone. I'm so mad that I couldn't bring all this great content, but see what it's like to drive in the rain, y'all. Cut the windshield wipers up a little bit. Let me see what mode I'm in. I'm gonna go ahead and put it straight in eco. Oh, hold on. Drive modes, eco. Yeah, you gotta put it in eco. It's 5 o'clock, so it ain't nothing but traffic anyway. But I'm gonna try to get back with y'all when I get out of traffic. All right. It's about almost 5 o'clock. No matter where I go, it's nothing but traffic. I can't go that way, it's traffic. I don't have nowhere to go. I'm just driving around, I ain't gonna lie. So I'm gonna go this way, I guess. 96 West. Well, on the freeway, you don't really got too much to worry about unless somebody jump over and slam on their brakes. The only thing you have to really worry about is low speeds and getting over lanes. Like sometimes when you get over lanes, it feel like the whole car is about to get over. I mean slide. So like when you getting over lanes, so you have to slow down just a little bit. But I would say it's a decent car to drive in the rain. It's not too bad. Almost missed my exit, y'all. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm trying to avoid traffic today. Which way should I go? I'm gonna go left. Should I cut up in a rich neighborhood, y'all? I'm gonna do a sliding around every corner in the rain in the burbs. How is that, y'all? I'm gonna see. I gotta find a neighborhood. traffic everywhere. I just want to get out of traffic, y'all. Y'all know what it feel like. 5 o'clock rush hour. What time is it? This time it's not right, y'all. It's like 5:30. Where would it be a neighborhood at? I don't think this is a neighborhood right here. No, it's not. I'm finna go straight to prison. It's a cemetery. I'm about to kill myself. It gotta be houses on 9 Mile. I wonder what's this way. Oh, that's a little parking lot. I ain't going in there. I just put tires on here. I don't want to burn them off. Not that fast. They gotta at least last me a month. What's that? That's apartments. Should I go down 10 Mile? No, I'm gonna keep going straight. Oh no, I'm not going straight. All traffic. Make a right. I feel like the neighborhoods and stuff is on the left though. I don't know. Let me just make a right. What's this on the left here? I'm gonna go left right here and see what this is. Oh, it's the neighborhood. Yeah, get some cut up for y'all. Let me see what I can do, y'all. I'm gonna cut it on track real quick. Track. And then cut that traction off all the way until you hear the ding. Yep, there you go. And you know, I ain't gonna put it in manual. I'm gonna just let it do what it wanna do automatically. I don't think they was complain that much because it just sound like it's thunderstorming, right? Let me see what this corner here now. It's not even trying to spin. These tires are good. It's trying to make me force it to spin. Oh, this is a roundabout. Oh no, it's not. I could have went left. Let's go left and see what's this way. Let's try to get sideways, y'all. Oh, this around. Oh, this neighborhood confusing. There's some nice houses though. I would live over here. Only problem is you would have people like me coming over here making the whole neighborhood loud. I'm sorry, y'all. Let me hit this corner. It's not even trying to spin. My tires are good. Let me try to go left, even though I don't like going left. Went into a dead end. All right, y'all, it's time to get on. I don't feel comfortable. Let's find our way out of here. I successfully found my way out. Wait, no, it's not even it. Oh, now it has successfully found my way out. We're gonna slide out of here, y'all. What's crazy is the car is not even trying to spin. So if y'all looking for a rain beater, this is the perfect car to get, because I'm trying to get sideways and the car is not even letting me. So it's perfect for this. Buy Hellcats to drive through the rain. Well, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get out of this area. I feel like I'm most wanted right now. Y'all, that was crazy, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Neighbors was coming outside, all type of stuff, y'all. Y'all gotta be careful when y'all do these type of videos. I'm here risking everything for these videos, bro. So can y'all go subscribe, like, comment, everything. Get me to 1,000 subs. That's my goal for next month, to be at 1,000 subscribers, y'all. I'm gonna stay consistent with these videos. I'm gonna do what I gotta do to get where I gotta get. You feel me? Ain't nothing to it but to do it. But as y'all can see, we back in Eco, y'all. But ain't no more cutting up through these neighborhoods. I'm about to take my home. It's raining. I should not be outside, but this is what I do for y'all. I love y'all. What is he doing outside? Just walking outside, nothing on. It's pouring down raining. Y'all probably can't even see it. But these neighborhoods is so nice. But to conclude this video, if you ask me how is it to drive a Hellcat in the rain, I would say it's the same as driving any other car. It's just you gotta not go too fast around curves and just go the speed limit or go a little bit under the speed limit, because you never know what can happen, like if they slam on their brakes or whatever. But just make sure your tires is good in this weather, because if your tires are bald, then you're screwed. I ain't gonna lie, you're doomed, because if your tires are bald, then you're gonna hydroplane, and your back end or front end, whatever tires are bald, are gonna be all over the road. So I would say you could drive a Hellcat in the rain, but just make sure your tires are good. But that's gonna conclude this video. I love y'all guys. Like,